Ever feel like you can't think because your room is a mess? For many, a messy house isn't just an eyesore, it's mental static. Science shows our brains crave order because clutter constantly competes for our attention. Psychologists find that tidying is actually a powerful tool for managing anxiety. When the world outside feels chaotic, a clean kitchen is a small, manageable win. It tells your brain, I am in control. Every time you clear a surface, your brain releases a tiny hit of dopamine. People who keep clean homes aren't just born tidy, they've become addicted to the reward of a finished task. This creates a daily momentum that's hard to stop. In psychology, this trait is called conscientiousness. It's the internal drive to be organized and disciplined. For these people, a clean home is a reflection of who they are. They don't just clean, they live organized. But there's a tipping point. When cleaning becomes a must rather than a want, it might be a sign of hypervigilance. If you can't relax until every speck is gone, your home might be a cage instead of a sanctuary. A clean house isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a space where your mind can breathe. Whether you're a minimalist or an organized mess, the goal is mental peace. So, what does your space say about you?